my name is Raja Nusnat. So today I will be present the introduction. First, let's look at the definition of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship means taking financial risk with the hope of earning profit while boldly exploring new opportunity. Being entrepreneurial is not about sharing a business. It's a mindset that embraces risk, creativity, innovation, and persistence. An entrepreneurial person sees opportunity where the others see problem. They are not afraid to act during uncertainty and are willing to learn from a fail. More than just profit, it's about solving real needs in society with fresh ideas. Next, we had 4 main objectives in conducting the interview. First, to learn about the entrepreneur background and how they started their business. Second, to understand the motivation behind their decision to become an entrepreneur. Third, to identify the challenges they face and how they overcome them. Fourth, to gain insight into how the business is managed and operated. Next, primary sources are original material such as interview, letters, photos, or official documents, first-hand evidence. Secondary sources are interpretation or analysis of primary source like textbooks, journal articles, and documentaries. Together this, we conduct a direct interview for primary data and use books, website, and article for secondary information. The entrepreneur we interview is Muhammad Muiz, a 20 years old Malay man from Parit Raja, Darat, Muar, Johor. He only completed his SPM high school and started his career as a restaurant waiter. In 2023, with just 500, he started his business called Muiz Hot Chicken, beginning with a small roadside kiosk. After 22 years old, he now owns a full restaurant in Muar and is planning to open a new branch in Batu Pahat with more locations in Malaysia. Muiz Hot Chicken focus on fast food service similar to brands like KFC or McDonald's. Despite earning very little at the start, sometimes just 2 or 3 sales per day, he never give up. His core relations are the true ingredients behind his success. Today, he proved that with the determination, anyone can rise from humble beginnings to become a successful entrepreneur. That's all from me.
Hi, my name is Rachela Rosli. My matrix number is F24A1159. I want to present company background. The company background is intended to give outside such as customer, supervisor, and business partner overview of the company is entity and straight. Name of company is Muiz Hot Chicken. The owner by Tuan Muhammad Muizuddin Remli. The company start as Muiz Resource before translation to Muiz Food Industry SDN di Berhad on 13 August 2020. Get customer. Muiz Hot Chicken target individual and families. How do he run the business? He start his small business through a crisis managed entire by himself. In the early stage, all daily operations such as food preparation, sales management, and customer service are done alone. Seeing the need to organize the business such a more systematic, he has set up a official company called Muiz Food Industry Surian Berhad. Muiz for the group, which focus entire on the development and management of Muiz Hot Chicken restaurant. How many employees he have? Muiz Hot Chicken has 128. This number not include sales reputation such as agent. Why choose the fast food industry as a business field? This industry was chosen because it's often constant demand and is not tied to specific season. Business vision and mission of Muiz Hot Chicken. Muiz Hot Chicken's vision is to become a lead local fast food brand now not only nationally but also internationally. This vision has also led the company to build a reputation as the epitome of authentic Malaysia flavors. This hot chicken is mission to introduce fast food products that are produced entirely by local entrepreneurs. Product unique and feature. Among the main unique of Muiz Hot Chicken product is commitment. The maintenance is identified as a local brand of food and beverage ingredients from local supplier.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Fatih Alanabila binti Muhammad Izzah. My metric number is F2 for A1205. Today, let's continue to our present about 4.0, the entrepreneur before starting the venture. 4.1 is a working experience. Before starting Muiz Hot Chicken, Encik Muhammad Muizzuddin ran a small home-based food business, handling all tasks himself. He gained skill understood to customer needs and gained early business exposure through the event and local bazaar. Okay, next to 4.2, entrepreneur activities. And his business group, Mr. Muiz, saw the need to improve his business knowledge. He attended entrepreneurship course by Mara and others, learning about operation, management, and finance. This knowledge helped him run his company more professionally and strengthen the Muiz Hot Chicken brand. And then 4.3, intention of being entrepreneur. Tuan Muhammad Muizzuddin Miramli developed an interest in entrepreneurship after finishing SPM aiming to succeed in the F&B industry due to strong demand. In 2013, he started Muiz Hot Chicken with determination and hard work, managed everything became a lesson, and despite early struggle like a financial limit and inconsistent sale, a challenging become a lesson, leaving him to learn continuously through a course, reading, and mentorship. His previous and grow Muiz Hot Chicken into a strong local and with the global potential.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Nur Amira Natasha and I will continue to present part 5 where I will explain when the venture actually began. First, let's talk about motivation. Mr. Muizuddin was truly motivated by his deep passion for the food industry. His interest started back in secondary school. Even though he didn't have any proper business knowledge yet, he already dreamed of having his own food business. His passion gave him the courage to take the risk and start his own journey as an entrepreneur. Next, let's move on to his goals. From the very beginning, Mr. Muizuddin had clear and ambitious goals. He wanted to grow Muiz Hot Chicken into a strong local brand and eventually expand it internationally. One of his biggest aims was to create a proper franchise system to make the business more sustainable and scalable in the future. After that, let's look at his initial resources. When he first started, Mr. Muizuddin didn't have a big team or huge capital. He relied mostly on his own savings and some support from his family. He handled most of the tasks himself, including cooking and marketing. Over time, he developed an agent system and slowly started building a strong team to support the business operations. Now, let's move on to the second page, which includes his skills, experience, and traits. First, his special skills. Mr. Muizuddin is known for his strong leadership and communication skills. He knows how to guide his team effectively and promote his brand with confidence. He also has excellent marketing strategies, especially in using social media and face-to-face promotions. Most importantly, he is always open to learning and improving. Next, his experience. Before becoming a successful entrepreneur, Mr. Muizuddin gained experience by working at food stalls during school holidays. This helped him understand customer service, food handling, and how to manage stress in busy environments. These early experiences shaped his mindset and gave him a solid foundation to run his business. After that, let's look at his entrepreneurial traits. Mr. Muizuddin is confident, hardworking, and innovative. He's not afraid of taking risks and always thinks outside the box. He also shows strong resilience. Even when facing failure, he doesn't give up easily. These traits have played a big part in his success. Lastly, on this final page, I will explain the challenges, achievements, and future plans. Let's start with the problems and challenges. In the beginning, Mr. Muizuddin faced a lot of struggles. He had limited capital, no proper business background, and very few customers. Marketing the business was also hard at first, but instead of giving up, he took this as lessons. He kept improving himself and the business along the way. Next, his achievements. Today, Muiz Hot Chicken has grown into a well-known brand with several branches. It's now recognized across Malaysia, and many people are inspired by Mr. Muizuddin's journey. His success story shows that with hard work and determination, anything is possible. Finally, his future plans. Mr. Muizuddin plans to expand Muiz Hot Chicken not only in Malaysia, but also to the international market. He wants to make the franchise system more stable and introduce a new menu items to keep the brand exciting. His goal is to turn Muiz Hot Chicken into a global brand one day. That's all from me. Thank you for listening, and now I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Ainul Inshirah binti Jamil. My metric number is F24B0992. Today, I talk about Muiz hot chicken throughout the company operation. So first, 6.1, development of the company. The company started in 2013 with a small kiosk. Today, it has grown into a well-known local brand with many outlets across Malaysia. Support from the public grew even more during the boycott of international brands. Second, biggest challenge. One of the biggest challenges is maintaining quality and SOP at all kiosks. Since staff come from different backgrounds, Muiz handles this by giving proper training and placing supervisors to monitor performance. So number 3, failures in business. In the early days, the company faced failures such as financial problems and weak operations. But the founder, Mr. Muiz, stayed strong. He used those failures to learn and improve the business. Number 4, proposal to expand. Now, Muiz is expanding through new branches and franchise. Recently, they opened 2 new outlets, one in Batu Pahat and one in Shah Alam. Next, workforce management. The company also focuses on staff management with around 128 workers in different departments. There's strong communication between leaders and HR to solve problems quickly and support staff needs. So number 6, core values in employee management. So lastly, Muiz applies strong core values like care and teamwork. Staff receive monthly food packs and enjoy annual dinners, which help build motivation and unity. So in conclusion, Muiz hot chicken is a great example of a local brand that continues to grow through smart planning, strong values, and public support. So that's all from my part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nushahi Razwani binti Hazmi. Metric number F24A1058. Today I will be sharing how Muiz hot chicken use social media to grow its brand and connect with customers. Let's take a closer look at their strategies. First, social media platform use. Muiz hot chicken actively use TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Each platform has its own purpose. TikTok is used post fun, short videos such as food preparation, promotion, and lifestyle contents. Instagram focus on high quality image, including food, photography, and customer testimonials. And Facebook is used for official updates, promotion, and reaching a wider audience. Why these platforms? These platforms are popular and have a large user base. They are perfect for visual contents, which fits well with the food industry. Social media also help Muiz hot chicken reach international audience and not just customer in Malaysia. It is not only about promotion, it is about building relationship and community. Social media management. Social media is fully managed by the marketing departments. The team is responsible for creating, planning, and monitoring all content. They ensure that everything posts reflects the company's image and goals. Content planning. Content is planned 1 to 2 months in advance. It helps the team organize promotion, decide on posting times, and make sure content is consistent. They also balance between product promotion, customer engagement, and brand building. Paid advertising. Muiz hot chicken also invests in paid social media ads. This helps increase visibility and reach new customers, including those who don't yet follow the brand. It is cost-effective way to grow in the digital space. Customer response has been very positive. Social media allows two-way communication. Customer give feedback and the company can respond directly. This build trust and loyalty with the brands. Challenges faced. Of course, there are challenges, especially dealing with negative feedbacks. But instead of ignoring it, the team reaches out to solve problems quickly and professionally. This shows commitments to customer satisfaction. Maintaining engagement to keep engagement high. The team monitors all platforms and respond quickly to questions and concerns. They ensure customers feel heard, supported, and valued. Future in digital marketing. Moving forward, Muiz Hot Chicken plans to explore new platforms, improve advertising strategies, and collaborate with influencers. The goal is to stay relevant, expand globally, and build a strong digital presence.
Hi, my name is Siti Nobalkis Binti Muhammad Zubir, metric number F24A1124. Okay, I will talk about hope and encouragement for future entrepreneur. The first one is one of the best thing about Muiz Hot Chicken. Okay, one of the proudest thing about the Muiz Hot Chicken journey has been the family spirit and cohesiveness in work team. At Muiz Hot Chicken, we not only work as colleagues but as family that face all challenges and success together. Each individual play an important role in ensuring the survival and success of the company. And as this business grows, those who were with it from the beginning will also continue to grow with the company. Next, Muiz Hot Chicken in the next 5 to 10 years. Muiz Hot Chicken aim to continue to grow faster and stronger. The vision is to make Muiz Hot Chicken not only a locally recognized brand but an international brand that brings Malaysian identity and flavor to the global stage. In terms of operation, long-term planning include the addition of brands, the strengthening of franchise system, as well as investment in technology and automation to improve business efficiency. Third, advice for people who want to start a business. Most important advice is not to give up so easily. In the business work, fluctuation and frequency are part of the learning and maturation process of an entrepreneur. Always be focused and confident in what is being worked on. Self-confidence and determined are essential elements to move forward despite obstacles. Every step in business must be accompanied by long-term planning because success does not happen overnight. Entrepreneurs also need to have a clear vision and goals, as well as be willing to work hard and learn from mistakes. Next, hope for business and impact on society. Muiz Hot Chicken want to see the brand continue to progress and grow rapidly, not only in terms of business but also in terms of contribute to society. Every development and success achieved by Muiz Hot Chicken will directly benefit the local community, especially in providing stable job opportunity and opening up space for career development in the F&B industry. Muiz Hot Chicken hope that this business can provide additional benefits such as skill training, welfare assistance, and social support to the surrounding community. The bigger the Muiz Hot Chicken brand, the broader its impact on society in terms of improving living standard, building entrepreneurial spirit, and encouraging support for local product. Lastly, the last word to the people out there. Muiz Hot Chicken say, for those of you out there, don't give up easily. In the business world, challenges and obstacles are common. It is important how we deal with each problem calmly and wisely and try to find solutions that are not only suitable for the short term but also effective for the long term. Successful entrepreneurs are not those who never fail, but those who continue to rise after failure, continue to learn and develop. Be confident in your ability, keep your spirit up, and always focus on the goal you want to achieve.
And the last one is conclusion. 9.1. What can you learn from this entrepreneur? The journey of Tuan Muhammad Muizzuddin Miramli shows that success starts with vision, hard work, and continuous learning. Starting small, he embraced fail as a lesson, remain resilient, and focus on growing both personally and professionally. His story highlights the importance of determination, community impact, and a growth mindset. And then 9.2, what are the key success factors of the business is Muiz Hot Chicken. Success is driven by a strong leadership, ongoing learning, and a scalable kiosk model. Tuan Muiz commitment to quality halal standard and customer satisfied build a trust. Local branding, smart expansion, and constant innovation helping the business grow sustainably and stay competitive in the F&B industry.